Ever wondered what is cloud computing and how it works? Well, let's demystify it. Imagine having a supercomputer in your pocket, available anytime, anywhere. That's cloud computing for you. It's the on-demand access to computing resources, all hosted at a far-off data center managed by a cloud services provider. Think of it as a buffet of digital services. You only pay for what you use, and you can always go back for more. This offers significant cost savings, especially for businesses looking to optimize their expenses. The beauty of cloud computing doesn't stop at cost savings, it's scalable, meaning you can increase or decrease your resources based on your needs. And the cherry on top? It's self-service. You don't need a team of IT experts to manage it. It's like having a genie that handles your computing needs while you focus on what matters most to you. Now, you might be wondering, what are these computing resources we're talking about? Time to delve into that. When we talk about computing resources, what exactly do we mean? Well, think of them as the backbone of cloud computing. These resources, such as servers and storage, are hosted at a remote data center and can be accessed over the internet. It's like having a powerful computer at your fingertips without the need for physical infrastructure. Now imagine a scenario where you don't even have to manage these resources. That's where serverless computing comes in. It offloads the nitty-gritty of infrastructure management tasks to the cloud provider. You just focus on your code, and the rest is taken care of. It's like having a reliable assistant who handles all the heavy lifting while you concentrate on your core tasks. And the best part? These resources are available on demand. You can access them whenever you need, from wherever you are. It's like having a 24/7 open library, where you can pick any book at any time. So these resources can be accessed anytime from anywhere. But how do they get there? Let's explore the different models of cloud services. Cloud services come in different flavors, each with its own set of advantages. Let's dive into the three common models of cloud services: SaaS, PaaS, and IaaS. First up is SaaS, which stands for Software as a Service. This is probably the model you're most familiar with, even if you didn't realize it. SaaS is all about delivering software over the internet. Instead of installing and running software on your own computer or in your data center, the software is provided as a service that you access via the web or an API. Think about using a web-based email service or a cloud-based productivity suite. That's SaaS in action. It's easy to use, flexible, and means you don't have to worry about the technicalities of servers and hardware. Next, we have PaaS, or Platform as a Service. This model is a favorite among developers. PaaS provides a platform and environment that allows developers to build applications and services over the internet. This might include development tools, database management, business intelligence services, and more. PaaS saves time and effort by handling the infrastructure side of things, so developers can focus on coding and innovation. Last but not least, we have IaaS, short for Infrastructure as a Service. This model provides the raw building blocks for IT, servers, storage, network hardware, and so on, but over the internet. With IaaS, you rent IT infrastructure from a cloud provider on a pay-as-you-go basis. It's a flexible and cost-effective way to scale resources up or down, depending on your needs. So there you have it: SaaS, PaaS, and IaaS. Three different models of cloud services, each catering to different needs and use cases. From everyday software use with SaaS, to development platforms with PaaS, to renting infrastructure with IaaS, the cloud has something for everyone. These models offer a variety of options, but how are they deployed? Let's find out. Cloud computing isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. It can be customized to fit individual needs. Just like a wardrobe with different outfits for different occasions, cloud computing offers different deployment models for varying needs. Now let's talk about the three primary deployment models: public, private, and hybrid clouds. Picture this: you're at a bustling city park. It's open to everyone, just like a public cloud. It offers computing resources over the internet, accessible to anyone who wants to use or purchase them. But what if you crave a little privacy? That's where the private cloud comes into play. Think of it as your personal garden, dedicated solely to you. A private cloud is a computing resource for one business or organization. It offers enhanced security and control, but with the responsibility of management and maintenance. Now imagine having the best of both worlds. That's a hybrid cloud for you. It's like having a garden adjoining the city park. You can enjoy the openness of the park and retreat into your private garden when you need some solitude. A hybrid cloud combines public and private clouds, bounded by technology that allows data and applications to be shared between them. With these deployment models, cloud computing provides flexibility and efficiency. But how secure is it? Security is a major concern in the digital world. How does cloud computing tackle this, one might wonder? Well, cloud computing is not just about convenience and scalability. It's also about ensuring the safety and integrity of your data. Cloud computing security is a robust and multifaceted aspect. It encompasses various protocols and measures designed to protect data, applications, and the associated infrastructure of cloud computing. It's a broad term that includes everything from firewall policies to access controls to data encryption and incident response plans. Cloud providers are well aware of the potential threats and vulnerabilities that could compromise your data. That's why they invest heavily in implementing strong security measures. These measures include physical security of the data centers where your information is stored, network security to prevent unauthorized access, and data security to protect your data from threats like hacking or data leakage. What's more, cloud providers continuously monitor and update their systems to tackle emerging security threats. They use advanced technologies like artificial intelligence and machine learning to detect and prevent potential security breaches. State-of-the-art encryption techniques are used to ensure that your data is always secure, even while it's being transferred or stored. Moreover, cloud computing operates on a shared responsibility model. While cloud providers are responsible for the security of the cloud, users are responsible for security in the cloud. This means that you, as a user, have control over who has access to your data and how it is used. So, cloud computing not only offers a plethora of services, but also ensures they are securely delivered. With cloud computing, you can rest assured that your data is protected by the most advanced security measures, allowing you to focus on what matters most: growing your business, advancing your studies, or simply making your life easier.